India today spoke to Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu. From airfare regulation during the festive season to the AI 117 Air India airline crash report and the charges made by Captain Sabharwal's father, Naidu breaks his silence. Here's an exclusive conversation with India Today.
हमारे साथ हैं सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्टर राम मोहन नायडू। सर, फेस्टिवल का सीजन है और हम देख रहे हैं कि आमतौर पे इस समय में किराए में बढ़ोतरी होती है। क्या कदम उठाया जा रहा है मंत्रालय द्वारा इस बार इंश्योर करने के लिए कि किराए में इजाफा ना हो?
See, this is the time when you come to the end of the year, you have Dashara, Deepavali, Chhat Puja and also the Christmas and it kind of starts the winter schedule also. And during this winter schedule, we have seen it's a season where there is a lot of travel happening and the demand on the travel also increases, which also kind of spikes the airfares. And this time we have taken a very strong approach to monitor the airfares, and we have mandated the DGCA to look thoroughly, to speak with the airlines. And we also have institutionalized meetings with the airlines where every month we are meeting with the airlines and trying to see the pattern of the airfares also. So one thing I can tell from the ministry is that we are ensuring that to keep the fares at a reasonable price, whatever efforts need to be done from the ministry, we are actively looking into it.
What about the uncommanded RAD deployment on AI 117, which happened between Amritsar Birmingham flight while it was in midway of its descent in Birmingham?
Yes, we got to know about it, and the DGCA immediately responded and tried to find out the root cause of the incident. They have already gotten onto the job, and once we get to know more details, we are going to reach out to the necessary stakeholders to further see what are the necessary things that we need to do so that these things doesn't happen again.
Final question, sir. We have seen Captain Sabharwal's father writing to the ministry as well as the DGCA, accusing that AIB officials who came to his house were actually trying to put the blame on his mental state. P. Sabharwal, in his letter to you, to the Secretary Muka, has said this. Alpa India also raised concerns about that text from the CVR being put out of context, leading to speculations. What's your response on these concerns?
As far as the AIB is concerned, it is a mandated authority to look into the aircraft accidents and investigation body, and it has got a clear mandate according to the rules that we have done. And they keep a very thorough approach, very transparent and very independent approach, not influenced by anyone, but just considering the facts which have happened in the incident. So it will be too early to comment on the initial preliminary report also, because that's not the final report. And what AIB has done is to place the facts through the report, whatever is known. To find a consensus or to find something what exactly has happened, we have to wait till the final report.
Assurance to Captain Sabharwal's father?
See, there is no there is no manipulation or there is no dirty business happening in the investigation. It is a very clean and very thorough process that we are doing according to the rules that we have been set up. So we are going to ensure that that commitment is maintained.
And joining us live now is Amit Bharadwaj, who had this conversation. Amit, do tell us, while the minister seemed to be standing by the investigation of AIB, it seems the pilot body's demand was also denied to have their representative, and Captain Sabharwal's father is also not very happy with it. So what is their contention and how is the minister handling that?
Anjali, in the past month or so, what we can certainly say is that a lot of has happened on front of AI 171 probe. First of all, Captain Sabharwal's bereaving father, P. Sabharwal, writing that letter to Ministers Ram Mohan Naidu as well as MOCA Secretary Mr. Sinha. And after that, FIP, that is the Federation of Indian Pilots, raising this concern and sending across letters to MOCA Secretary and Civil Aviation Minister. Later, ALPA India, in last week's meeting with the AIB, raised the concern about the CVR, portion of the CVR being released in the interim report, leading to speculations. Now, all of that had led to very serious questions in regards to the entire investigation that's being carried out by the AIB into AI 171 Air India crash that happened in June this year. And there's a legal proceeding which is going on in Supreme Court, which is demanding and seeking an investigation as per Rule 12 of the AIB Act. So all of that, there was a question mark and no response from the ministry so far. First and exclusive conversation with India today. This is the first time Ram Mohan Naidu, as Civil Aviation Minister, has spoken to any media network directly on this particular issue, the probe as well, exclusively. And he's saying that we will not allow any manipulations to happen in the AIB
Right.
probe. AIB has the mandate to carry out investigation in all possible manners, and is also
Absolutely.
assuring the family and pilot's body.
Right.
Back to you.
Thank you, Amit, for those details.